What's going on YouTube? I just wanted to make a quick tutorial to show you some awesome quick features that will help you zoom into your data better. So sometimes in Excel, you'll have massive sheets and you want to zoom into a small part of it. And here's just some tricks that you can use to more effectively zoom. So you can go to the Home tab and under the View section, there are some options right here to zoom. So one thing you can do is you can click right here and zoom, where you can have some different options and some different default options as to how much you would like to zoom. I mean, you can also have it fit the section that you are selecting, or even have a custom percentage. So I don't know, if you want to zoom 55%, you can go ahead and do that. You can also have it to where it will zoom to your selection. So you can highlight this region right here and then click zoom to selection. As you can see, it just automatically fills the entire screen with the range that was selected. You can go 100% to go back to 100%. As a note, you can do this much faster than what I showed you by using the Alt key. So as you can see, after I press the Alt key on my keyboard, a bunch of letters show up. And you can use this to navigate your Excel sheet better. So you can do Alt W J to 100%. Highlight this region again. Alt W G, zoom to selection. Alt W Q, and then you can call it maybe 50%. As you can see, um, that is how you can zoom in and out of your Excel sheets. So with that being said, I hope that you found this tutorial to be helpful. If you did, please like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, concerns, or suggestions. Thank you for the support, and check out the links in the description for some free stock.